In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the HubSpot interface. Whether you're a new user or you've been using HubSpot for a while but haven't explored all its features, this guide will help you find your way around effortlessly. To begin, let's head over to the HubSpot trial guide. You'll need to visit the provided link that directs you to the Sales Hub Professional section. This is your gateway to experiencing all the powerful features that HubSpot has to offer. Once you're on the trial guide page, the next step is to click on the Marketing section. This is where HubSpot provides tools for creating dynamic and targeted marketing campaigns. Exploring this section will give you a good sense of the robust functionalities available to you and how you can utilize them to enhance your marketing strategies. After selecting the Marketing section, you'll want to find the Forms option. HubSpot's forms are an essential tool for capturing leads directly from your websites and landing pages. They allow you to gather information from your audience in a streamlined and effective manner. Clicking on Forms takes you to the Forms dashboard where you can create new forms or manage existing ones, tailoring them to fit your specific campaign needs. Now, once you're in the Forms dashboard, look for the Actions button. This button provides you with several options for managing your forms, such as editing or even duplicating them. This functionality is particularly handy when you need to make adjustments on the fly or when you're preparing for a new campaign. Finally, if at any point you need to remove a form, click on the Delete option from the Actions menu. Deleting a form is a straightforward process in HubSpot. Be mindful that this action is permanent and ensures that you don't accidentally lose any crucial data by double-checking that you've selected the right form to delete. Throughout this process, remember that HubSpot is designed to be user-friendly, and its interface is quite intuitive. However, if you find yourself needing further assistance, HubSpot's comprehensive support resources are always available to help you, including in-depth articles and a community of experts who are ready to provide guidance. By following along with these steps, you'll quickly become adept at navigating HubSpot's features, enhancing your ability to manage and execute effective marketing strategies. Thank you for joining me today, and happy exploring!